In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use MUI in Dragon Ball Models 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. MUI, or the Mastered Ultra Instinct, is available in Dragon Ball Models 4. To use it, you will have to train and acquire certain amounts of power. So to start, go into the training session and start training. The very first thing that you will need is maximum prism power, and you will be able to go through the transformations after you have trained enough. So make sure that you train a lot until you believe that you are ready with a billion prism power. Now, if you open your transformations, first, get low. So to get your HP low, you can use Kaioken times 20. So go into the transformations, choose Kaioken, and then Kaioken times 20. This will periodically drain your health. And once you are extremely low with only a sliver of health remaining, you will be able to proceed to get MUI in Models 4. So once you are very low on health and you have trained enough and you acquired a lot of prism power, you can go into Autonomous Ultra Instinct. Then at the right side of the screen you will see this message: you cannot use MUI yet. Wait this amount of time. So if you see this message, just wait the corresponding amount of time. 5 minutes, 3 minutes, and so on. Well, once this timer hits 0, the message will change to now you can use, or you can turn MUI. And if your Ultra Instinct Comprehension is at 100, aka Mastered, you will be able to begin the transformation. So these are going to be the requirements: a billion prism power, you transform, you are low on health, and you have the Ultra Instinct Comprehension mastered. Then when you transform, a cutscene will play out, and you will go into MUI mode. I hope I was able to help you on how to use MUI Dragon Ball Models 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.